Hey, Keru here. Would you like to be more creative? Of course you would. Creativity is an incredible tool that can help you accomplish many, many things that don't have to be artistic or artsy. Uh, if you want to practice your creativity, I suggest, for example, make a list. What are all the ways you can go from your home to, let's say, your place of work or one of your friends' house or wherever? What if you're on a bicycle? Which way would you go there? What if you're on a skateboard? What if you're taking public transportation? What if you're on a helicopter? Where would you land? The more ways you find to get there, and the more different path you can find to your destination, the more your brain will practice being creative. Another example of an exercise you can do is open your fridge. What's left in there? How many recipes can you put together with what's left in your fridge? The more you practice these kinds of exercises, the more you will be creative in your life. You will train your brain to be more creative, and that will help you find more solutions to every problem you can encounter. I hope this helps. Have a good day. Ciao.